Hey guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What, and welcome back to my 12 Days of Crafting collaboration with Simply Mindy. Don't forget to check her out. I will link her down below and her Instagram as well. If you missed yesterday's craft, catch up. The link is right here, so click that link right there. Today we are going over this beautiful centerpiece. I mean, how adorable is this? Great? I know. Super excited to show you guys what I did, what I used, all of that good stuff. Real quick, don't forget to subscribe because you're gonna miss these awesome crafts for the holiday season and you're gonna be sad that you missed it. So don't forget to subscribe down below, click that bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. So I think that I should just get into the tutorial and let that do the talking for you. So let's not waste any time, guys. Let's DIY. Okay, so you just want to get your Mod Podge and a sponge brush, and you want to use a very generous amount. I will say the more Mod Podge, the better. The glitter will stick on the glass, so don't be afraid to use a generous amount. Now, this is the part where I will say is a little wasteful. So if you can find an easier way to use the glitter without wasting so much glitter, probably do that and not what I did. And again, you just want to use a generous amount on the glass and spread that around. However high you want to put it up to the glass is up to you. And you just want to sprinkle the glitter on and make sure all the spots are covered. And that is pretty much it for the glitter part of this project. So I just took a small piece of Garland from Dollar Tree. It comes in, I think, 15 feet or something like that. So I just took a little piece and wrapped it around the plate. And you will notice that I did leave a little piece open. So I suggest you do the same, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. So I wanted to show you how I made the bows from scratch on this part of the project. It's a little hard for me to explain versus just watching it. So if you do have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to explain in writing what I did. But basically you just want to wrap the bow through your finger and take it all the way to the back like that. And then you want to slip it under the bottom part of the ribbon to kind of get that tight middle piece that makes the actual bow. So I slowed this part down so that you would be able to see exactly what I did, and so that you can kind of follow along if you choose to do the bow part of this tutorial, and you can go back and watch it again. So this part is the easiest part of all. You just want to put the ornaments in, and you can either keep the top part on or take it off. I left it on because it didn't really make a difference of how it sat on the plate. I will suggest that before you actually put the glue on the top, you take the time to make sure that the glass is completely flat against the plate. Make sure you don't have too many ornaments. If you do, just take one out, or however many out, and make sure it sits flat and flush with the plate. Then you can just take the glue. I use the hot glue gun. You can use E6000. Either of those work perfectly well, and just sit it on the plate perfectly. And there you go. And here is the bow that I made earlier on in the tutorial. I decided to put them on the stem. You can totally put them higher or lower. It's totally up to you, but once you see the whole picture, then you'll know which way you want to go. I decided to glue on the candles just to be on the safe side. You can totally just throw them on there or glue them, is up to you. And that space we left earlier, add another bow. And that's it. You have a beautiful centerpiece for under $10. Who can beat that? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure you're subscribed and make sure that you come back tomorrow, because tomorrow's day 3 and I'm super excited to show you what else I've got in store. Don't forget, click down below so that you can see me do this craft right here. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the good stuff, all the good details that were mentioned in the video and not. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.